Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up your Google Calendar to be viewable on your Blackboard website. To start off, I'm in Google Calendar. Now I have all these calendars viewable under my domain. When I make this viewable, only the class will be able to see their own calendar. Okay, so for instance, I won't have my jewelry class able to see my video class's calendar. It'll just be separated out. Okay, to do this, I'm going to use my video class, and I'm going to go inside here and go to my calendar settings. Okay, I can rename it and descriptions. I can also automatically accept invitations if people want to use this. I can set it so students can be viewable and all sorts of things like that. But what I want to do here is I want to use this embed calendar, and it has this code here, and I'm going to copy all of this. I highlight it, right click, copy, and now I'm going to go to Blackboard, and inside of Blackboard I'm going to paste this in here. So I've created this content area, and I'm going to created the calendar here under content area, and I made a calendar, and now I'm on calendar, and I'm going to build the content. Go to web link, and inside of here I'm going to paste that code that I copied from this part right here. To do that, I need to see the HTML stuff. So there's this HTML button here. Sometimes you can see this, sometimes it's like this. So you'll just have the one line here. You go over to this double down arrow, expands it, and then you have this HTML button, and that's exactly what I want. I click there, and I can right click paste, or I can do Control V, either one works, and I'm going to click update. Alright, I'm going to call this video 1 calendar, and I don't need to put the URL there, although if I wanted to, I could go to share this calendar. Go to my video calendar here. And I could create a link to this calendar, which would be from here. But this is good as it is. I'm just going to click submit. So to get the link to this calendar, I'm under the calendar details here, and I go down to here which says calendar address, and I go to the HTML right here, and it gives me this link right here. I can copy that, copy link address, go to Blackboard, and paste that address, and then click submit. And now it'll go through and I'll have access to my calendar, and as you see, it shows up right away. And that's how you link a Gmail calendar to Blackboard. One of the other things to note here is that I have separate calendars for each class, and they're not on my personal calendar, and that's an important step. You need to keep your personal calendar, so my Joshua Granlund calendar, that needs to be a separate calendar from my class calendars, because I don't want students or anyone to be able to see if I have IEP meetings or anything else of that nature. So make separate class calendars, and to get links to those calendars, go to calendar settings, and again click on the HTML right there. And that's how you link the two together.